The monkey's going to be the assistant.
Shalom, Ducky. Well, I am Gigi, and I am here to help you know your past, and your present, and your future. I know this is a very special juncture of your life, and I would like to trust my wise guides and have you...
Am I one of those guys?
Absolutely, my darling Sally, hello.
Thankfully, I'm here to help everybody.
Well, we'll see about that. Doug, we feel like we need to give you many, many perspectives.
He doesn't need to be given anything. He's got it all taken care of.
Oh my goodness, I don't know how this is going to go, but we will see. So, Doug, please come and take this tarot deck right here. Shuffle the deck and think, Doug, deep about all of the stories of tonight. Your life, the moon, the universe. Dig deep into your soul, and I will help you manifest what is to come. So when you are ready, Doug, pick the first card.
You can pick the second one too. It doesn't really matter.
Tell me, my dear one. Oh my goodness gracious. Sally, well, I don't know what to do with this.
Tell me, I'll tell you how to do it.
So your past, Doug, I tell you, I need to break this to you. It's a very serious topic here. Your past has been filled with laziness.
It's okay, Doug. That was your past. Don't worry about it.
So take some deep breaths, Doug, and breathe into the corners of your soul where you feel like perhaps you have not manifested everything that you've ever wanted to be.
It's okay. We had fun in the process.
Okay, so this is where you have come from, Doug, in your time. And now this is where you are in present time, tonight and now. Let us see what the divine guides are telling us.
I like your vote.
Doug, you're really blowing it here. I don't know how to help you with these cards you're pulling tonight.
You don't need help. You're fine. Don't worry about it. Whatever it is, it's good.
This is kind of a disaster, Doug.
Well, look at where we are. Go on.
It could be all the penis things, all this penis history
Let's
of
not
you.
talk about that. There's children in the room. Let's go on. What's in the present?
All right, so we have present time, Doug. It has to do with politics. I tell you, you need to dig really, really deep on this one. What are you negotiating in your life right now?
Is that what the card said?
That is what the card said. Look, there's a snake.
It's a negotiation
And a mask.
tarot card?
It's a negotiation time,
What is
guys.
it? A tarot card for lawyers? I don't understand.
This is very serious. You're in a very serious place, Doug. You have politics to reckon with in your soul. Open your soul, Doug.
What is he negotiating?
The politics of his soul, I just told you. You're not
That's what the
listening.
tarot card said?
That is,
Negotiating
it's right here.
politics? I can't see.
It's right here. Take a deeper look into. Trust your divine guides, Doug. For present is telling you, you are dealing with some very conflictual things in your soul, Doug, in present time.
It's good for a lawyer to deal with conflict. He'll be fine.
Oi, 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 please pick a good card next time, Doug. This is your future. It's the most important part, Doug.
Maybe he should take a breath before he does it.
I
That's
think
to you.
we all need to take a breath here. We all must breathe for Doug.
Yes.
Deep ones.
Is it a card of his penis?
It might be. I don't know what to expect here with these other two shitty
He
cards.
can't take a breath when people are talking. Be quiet.
Thank goodness gracious. Holy moly, Doug. This was almost a colossal disaster, but you've saved it.
What does it say on the card?
Can you just be patient, Sally? I know you want to get out of here already and go back to Sebastopol, but you need to just let the divine speak through me. Doug, thank God for your future. You are facing the dream. You are going deep into the wells of your soul with your beloved. No joke, this is what the card says right here.
Say, what's the
The
word?
dream, the dream. But the dream is him dreaming with a woman in the sky.
No way.
For sure, for real, you, my dear, have come from lazy piece of shit. Yes, it's true.
That is true. I
To them dealing with crazy, crazy politics all over the place in your soul and your being, in your heart, and your penis. Crazy penis politics. And thank God now, Doug, you're moving to the dream with your beloved.
That's how it always is. Laziness and then dream.
Well, you've got the penis. That's in the middle. Penis politics.
I'm a woman, I forgot.
Yes, I understand, my dear. This is why I'm here to help you. Yeah.
I'm glad you here to help me, because that's what we're actually here for.
Yes, this is true. You are helping me. We help each other in this divine consciousness. So now all of us together, Doug, really visualize your dream, and may you be blessed to manifest it in all of its highest, holiest potential. And may all of us here come, at least the ones of us here that we want to come with you and celebrate and be joyous with you as you manifest your dream that moves into our dream, that moves into the dreams of the whole universe dreaming.
Yeah, Mazel Tov!
One
Mazel
more
Tov!
card.
Mazel tov!
One more card.
Mazel tov! Mazel tov! Semen tov!
Alright, well since we're exactly on time, it's over. 10 o'clock, goodbye, it's over. No, we're in Jewish time, sorry. We've got one knock-knock joke, and with my favorite joker, Mr. Jokey Joke.
Actually, the name is Zoo.
Oh, Zoo, okay.
Zoo for Corey.
Okay,
I wish my friend could be here. Orca.
okay,
Orca Starbucks.
okay.
Me, Doug, Orca. We used to get milk together all the time. Back in the old hood. Milk and eggs. Anyway,
This
I
is so
wanna.
weird.
It was weird times. I want to just finish up with Doug's favorite knock-knock joke.
Okay.
So Dougie, this one's for you. Trust the process. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
These
These who?
nuts. Good night, everyone.